Oh, cheers, darling. I'll see what I'm on the chocolate down the swirl.
Right. Sorry, I missed a bit of filming. I was on another job. But yeah, boys have been busy. So stairs coming tomorrow. Actually coming today, being fitted tomorrow. And yeah, she's got to insulate all this now, which is fun. Sparky's first fixing today. Should be good to get that done. Roofers are in tomorrow. And then 100mm Celotex, then 50 over the top, plasterboarded, and then this will be mineral wool in the internal bits. Yeah, fire door, and then normal door. What else? Plumber's coming tomorrow, so we can get the floor drain in. Got the soil pipe put in the other day, so he's just got to get onto that, and then we got to connect out. Yeah, I suppose we'll go out with the wastes for the shower, and then connect into its soil pipe's literally just out there. What else? And then shower controls in here, sink here. Yeah, that's about it really. And then we've got some storage going in here, and then a door in here, so they put like decorations behind in like the eaves and that. And here as well, got a door in here, because obviously when you take your loft and convert it, you lose a load of space, a load of storage. There's the collars, just got to timber lock all of them, each one. And timber locking these as well, we've got to do that, so we'll get that done today, tomorrow, and then like I said, Thursday the roofers are out to do the finish the felt battening and tile it in.
Skills for life. Going to the shops isn't everyone's bag. Like Priya and Sarah here, in their front room trying to kickstart their two-woman band. They'd rather get easy prep.
who suffers from sickle cell. But you wouldn't know that by her cheek.
Right, ashlar wall. So they wanted storage in here, so just lined it with MDF, and then we'll make a magnetic door, so you just pull it off, and then we'll board up in there, get all that finished. All that storage, look. put some timber in there to take the board and whatnot, and then insulate it. And then we can plasterboard then. Now I've got to insulate that as well. And and then put the tile backer board down, ready for the tile on Monday. Right, now the ashlar's all done. We've got a nice line to go to now when we plasterboard this. Right, all done. Ready to tile back the floor and then tank all the edges. Up there, paint it, ready for tiler next week.